Crusoe. These little niches are a little bit fiddly, but same principle, everyone. Always the back, then the aluminium, got to be nice to the touch, people. Nice to the touch. It's got to come out a little. Right, I'll just have a final squiz at it once I'll put my bottom in. See that? That is allowing for the slope. I might actually put a little bit more on. I've overdone it now, but give it a nice little tap. It doesn't really need slope, this one, because it's just a shadow box is what they call it. But I'll give it a little bit of slope. Wipe the excess glue away. Then the remainder on your shorts. That's good. That's good, people. Always eyeballing it, feeling it with your fingers, with your fingertips. These little suckers. Right, that's even all the way around. That's good. That's a treat. I would have it in my place. So that's a good sign, people. You always do what you'd have yourself. Right, my next aluminium, I've cut one end, so I'll measure them all off. Piss off plastic. I'll measure them all off, cut them, and I'll be back. See you soon.